Buying springs online is fast and easy with Spring Finder. You can buy the right spring in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Find your springs. Using your Spring Finder, check to make sure it is in the measurement unit that you want. This can be in either inches or millimeters. Fill out at least one dimension range. Filling out the advanced search will narrow your results. Then, click Search. Step 2. Select your spring. You will be provided with a list of springs that match your search. Be sure to look over the material type, dimensions, and what loads it can handle. Select the springs you want and add them into the shopping cart. Step 3. Buy now. All you need to do now is check out and wait for them to arrive. Easy as that. Now let's get you those springs you want.